Social media has exploded with claims that Indian forces targeted Pakistan's nuclear site at Kirana Hills during Operation Sindoor. But did India really strike a nuclear facility near Sargodha? Let's break it down, the facts, fiction, and why this remote military zone is suddenly at the center of global attention. First, what is Kirana Hills? Now, Kirana Hills lies near the Sargodha Air Base in Pakistan's Punjab province. It's a rugged, restricted area, long believed to be part of Pakistan's nuclear infrastructure. Reports, including from the Bulletin of Atomic Scientists, have linked Kirana Hills to nuclear research, subcritical testing and storage. The area allegedly houses underground bunkers, TEL, which is Transporter Erector Launcher Garages, and other military-grade infrastructure. Now, this isn't just any military zone. It's part of Pakistan's nuclear deterrent architecture. Between 1983 and 1990, the site reportedly hosted nuclear development activities. So when smoke is spotted in this area, alarm bells naturally ring. But did India strike Kirana Hills? No, it didn't. On 7th of May, India launched Operation Sindoor in response to the Pahalgam terror attack that claimed 26 lives. The operation targeted terror camps and supporting infrastructure across Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. One of the confirmed targets was the Sargodha Air Base, which houses Pakistan's F-16s and key radar systems. Soon after, videos showing smoke rising near Kirana Hills began circulating. Speculation followed. Had India hit a nuclear site? During a joint press conference, Air Marshal A.K. Bharti dismissed these rumors with a pointed remark. He said, "We haven't hit Kirana Hills, whatever is there, but thanks for letting us know it houses something important."
Kirana Hills, whatever is there. Okay, I did not brief in my briefing yesterday. Thank you.
India's message was that the strikes were surgical, aimed only at terror infrastructure. Any damage to military sites like Sargodha, officials say, was collateral, resulting from Pakistan shielding terror assets. The Indian Air Force has since released footage of precision strikes on Sargodha, Noor Khan Air Base and other locations, damaging drone pads, radar stations and weapons depots. Then what about the smoke at Kirana Hills? Yes, a smoke plume was seen just a kilometer from known storage sites. However, no independent satellite images or official sources have confirmed any damage to nuclear assets. So for now, Kirana Hills remains off the record. Stay tuned for verified updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into geopolitics, defense and strategy.